Think that old, dirty coin in your drawer is just pocket change. Think again. The legendary 1976 Bicentennial Quarter from the historic United States Bicentennial Celebration and the bold 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar featuring Susan B. Anthony could be hiding shocking value in plain sight. Most people ignore them because they look worn, scratched, or discolored. But here's the twist: some rare varieties, mint errors, and high-grade survivors of the Bicentennial Quarter have sold for hundreds, even thousands of dollars. And certain versions of the Susan B. Anthony dollar, especially the elusive wide-rim variety, can bring in serious cash. What if I told you that a $1,976 coin, yes, the one celebrating America's 200th birthday, has sold for thousands of dollars, and in rare cases, even more? What if that patriotic coin sitting in your drawer right now is actually hidden treasure worth big money? Most people see the 1976 Bicentennial dollar and think it's common, ordinary, just a patriotic souvenir. But here's the shocking truth. The 1976 Bicentennial dollar isn't just any coin. It's part of one of the most historic releases in U.S. history. And certain versions of it have delivered life-changing value to collectors who knew exactly what to look for. Let's go back to 1975. America was preparing for its 200th anniversary. The U.S. Mint made a bold decision: no coins dated 1975 would be released for quarters, half dollars, or dollars. Instead, they would all carry the dual date 1776 to 1976. That decision alone makes this coin unforgettable. The coin we're talking about is the Eisenhower dollar, often called the Bicentennial dollar. On the front, you'll see President Dwight D. Eisenhower. But flip it over, and instead of the traditional eagle, you'll see a Liberty Bell superimposed over the moon. That design, created by Dennis R. Williams, symbolized America's independence and space-age power combined. And that's where the mystery begins. Because while millions were made, not all were created equal. Now listen closely. There are three major types of 1976 Bicentennial dollars. First, the standard copper-nickel-clad coins made in Philadelphia and Denver. Second, the 40% silver versions struck in San Francisco. Third, special proof and high-grade collector strikes. And the difference between a $1 coin and a $5,000 coin depends entirely on which one you have. Let's start with identification. Look at the date on the front. It should read 1776 to 1976. That's correct for all Bicentennial dollars. Now check the mint mark. If there is no mint mark, it was struck in Philadelphia. If there's a D, it's from Denver. If there's an S, it was minted in San Francisco. Now here's where things get serious. If you see an S, you need to check the edge of the coin. A regular clad coin will have a copper-colored stripe visible on the edge. But a 40% silver Bicentennial dollar? The edge will appear solid silver, no copper line. That small detail could mean big money. Silver versions were sold in special collector sets, and while many are worth $10 to $20 today due to silver content, high-grade examples have exploded in value. In MS-69 condition, some silver Bicentennial dollars have sold for over $3,000 at auction. That's a 3,000x return on face value. Now let me reset your attention with something even more shocking. There are rare error versions of the 1976 Bicentennial dollar that collectors fight over. We're talking about double die errors, where lettering or design elements appear doubled. Strong examples can bring $500 to $2,000 depending on clarity. Off-center strikes, where the design is misaligned. Dramatic versions. $300 to over $1,000. Clipped planchet errors, where part of the coin is literally missing due to a blank cutting mistake. Values often range from $200 to $800. And then there are wrong planchet errors. Imagine a Bicentennial dollar struck on a silver planchet not intended for that issue, or even on a foreign planchet. These ultra-rare mistakes have sold for thousands because they're one-of-a-kind hidden treasures. But here's something most collectors overlook. Condition is king. Millions of these coins were saved. That means average condition examples are common. But pristine, untouched coins graded MS67, MS68, or higher, extremely scarce. In fact, certain high-grade 1976 D bicentennial dollars in MS67 have sold for over $1,000 simply because so few survived without contact marks. Think about that. A coin people treat as pocket change, turning into serious big money because of condition alone. Now let's talk about proof coins. If you have a 1976 S proof, it should have mirror-like fields and frosted devices. Deep cameo examples, where the contrast between the design and background is dramatic, are especially desirable. A PR70 deep cameo silver bicentennial dollar has sold for several $1,000s at major auctions. That's life-changing value from a coin many people dismiss. And here's a fascinating backstory twist. When these coins were released, Americans hoarded them. People believed they would instantly become rare and valuable because of the bicentennial celebration. Ironically, that hoarding made most of them common. But here's the paradox. Because so many were stored carelessly in bags and rolls, finding flawless specimens today is incredibly difficult. Scratches, bag marks, rim dings. Check your rim carefully. A sharp, full rim with no flattening increases value significantly. Look at the Liberty Bell on the reverse. The lines should be crisp. The moon behind it should show strong detail. Weak strikes or heavy marks lower value dramatically. Now I want you to imagine something. You're cleaning out a relative's house. You find an old blue US Mint box labeled Bicentennial Silver Uncirculated Set. Inside, untouched 40% silver dollars. You send one for grading. It comes back MS69. And suddenly, that dusty box becomes hidden treasure worth thousands. That's not fantasy. That has happened. Auction records confirm it. And here's another shocker. Some collectors specialize in toned bicentennial dollars, coins that developed beautiful rainbow toning over decades. Unique, vibrant toning can push values into the hundreds or even thousands because collectors crave eye appeal. So don't clean your coin. Never polish it. Cleaning destroys big money value instantly. Now let me ask you something powerful. Have you actually checked the edge of your $1,976? Have you inspected the mint mark? Have you looked for doubling in Liberty or In God We Trust? Have you examined the rim for broad strike characteristics? Because the difference between a common dollar and hidden treasure is often one tiny overlooked detail. And here's what makes this coin emotionally powerful. It represents 200 years of American history. It was struck during a time of national pride. And today, nearly 50 years later, it's still sitting quietly in collections across the US and even in UK collections where American silver coins are increasingly popular. Some of those coins are just souvenirs. But a few are life-changing value discoveries waiting to happen. So tonight, I want you to do something. Go to your coin jar. Open that old desk drawer. Check those inherited coin albums. Look for 1776 to 1976. Check for S. Inspect the edge for solid silver. Examine the condition under bright light. Because big money hides in plain sight. And in our next video, I'm going to reveal a bicentennial coin that sold for over 5 figures, one that most collectors completely overlook because they focus on the wrong detail. You do not want to miss that. Subscribe now. Because your next hidden treasure, your next big money discovery, might already be sitting in your home right now. What if I told you a dollar coin from 1979, yes, a small, ordinary-looking coin, could be worth thousands of dollars, maybe even life-changing money, and it might be hiding in your house right now? Most people ignore the 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar. They toss it in drawers. They confuse it with a quarter. They spend it without thinking. But what they don't realize is that some of these coins are big money, and one specific version has shocked collectors across the United States and even caught attention from UK collectors hunting hidden treasure. Let me tell you the mysterious story. In 1979, the US Mint released the brand new Susan B. Anthony dollar. It was the first US coin to feature a real historical woman, Susan B. Anthony, a bold move in American history. But here's where things get strange. The public hated it. Why? Because it looked almost exactly like a quarter. Same color. Similar size. People got confused at vending machines. Cashiers mixed them up. The coin was considered a failure. And when the public rejects a coin, that's when rarity and big money opportunities begin. Now here's where you need to pay very close attention. There are two different 1979 S-proof versions. One is common. The other? It's known as the Clear S or Type 2, and it has sold for shocking prices. Most people don't even know this exists. The San Francisco Mint produced proof coins in 1979. These coins have an S mint mark. But early in production, the S mint mark was blurry and filled in. Later, the Mint changed the punch. The new version had a sharp, clear, well-defined S. That small difference is everything. If you find a 1979 S with a sharp, clear, perfectly formed S mint mark, what collectors call the Type 2, you could be holding hidden treasure. In high grades like PR69 or PR70, these have sold for thousands of dollars. Some auction results have exceeded $4,000 depending on condition. Yes. From $1 to thousands. Now I want you to grab a 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar if you have one nearby. Turn it over. Look for the mint mark above the shoulder of Susan B. Anthony. If it has an S, examine it closely. Is the S blob-like and filled? That's the common Type 1. Value? Usually $5 to $20 in proof condition. But if the S is crystal clear, with sharp curves and open loops, that's the rare Type 2. And in near-perfect condition, it jumps into big money territory, $500, $1,000, even several thousand depending on grade. And here's the twist that shocks most collectors. The difference can be extremely subtle. Many Type 2 coins were released inside proof sets. Families bought them, put them away, and forgot about them. Decades later, people open old boxes and suddenly discover a life-changing value coin. Now let's reset your attention with something even more exciting. It's not just the mint mark that matters. There are era coins in the 1979 Susan B. Anthony series that have brought serious hidden treasure prices. We're talking about off-center strikes, worth $100 to $500 depending on how dramatic the misalignment is. Broad strikes, where the rim is missing and the coin spreads out under pressure. These can reach several $100s. Clipped planchets, where part of the coin is literally missing due to a cutting error. Value? Often $200 to $1,000. And then there are dramatic multiple strike errors. Some have sold for over $2,000 at major auctions because collectors love visible, undeniable mistakes. Imagine pulling that from pocket change. Now here's something else most people overlook. Condition is everything. If you have a regular 1979 P or 1979 D circulation coin, most are worth face value. But in MS67 or MS68 condition, meaning virtually flawless, some have sold for hundreds and even over $1,000 because high-grade survivors are rare. And here's why that matters. The coin wasn't popular. People didn't save them carefully. They were thrown into circulation. That means pristine examples are harder to find than you think. Now let's talk about a fascinating backstory detail. When the U.S. Mint introduced the Susan B. Anthony dollar, it was meant to replace the larger Eisenhower dollar. But the coin size similarity to the quarter caused such public backlash that production slowed dramatically. By 1981, regular circulation strikes stopped. It briefly returned in 1999, but by then, collectors were already hunting the early versions. And that 1979 year. It's the first year of issue. First-year coins always attract collectors. Always. First year. Mint mark variety. Proof type 2. Error possibilities. High-grade rarity. That's the perfect storm for big money. Now let me ask you something. Have you checked the rim? Proof coins have mirror-like fields and frosted designs. The rim should be sharp and squared. Circulation coins often have softer edges. Also check the color. A true proof coin has deep mirrored surfaces. If it looks dull and worn, it's likely circulated. If you suspect you have a Type 2, clear S, compare it under magnification. The loops in the S should be clean and fully separated, not mushy. And here's the emotional part that makes this even more exciting. Most of these coins are sitting untouched in proof sets bought in 1979 for just a few dollars. Parents stored them. Grandparents saved them. People forgot them. And now, those same coins could represent hidden treasure and life-changing value. I've heard stories of collectors opening old inherited coin boxes and discovering a clear S Type 2 worth thousands. That's the thrill of coin collecting. It's not just metal. It's history. Mystery. And sometimes, big money. But wait, one more shocking fact before you go. There have been documented auction results where pristine PR70 Deep Cameo 1979 S Type 2 coins crossed the auction block for over $4,000. That's a 4,000x return from face value. $4,000 from $1. Let that sink in. Now imagine if you have multiple proof sets. Imagine if you've never checked the mint mark closely. Imagine if that small S on your coin is the clear, sharp Type 2 version collectors are fighting over. That's not just a coin. That's hidden treasure. That's potential big money. That's the kind of life-changing value story that keeps collectors searching night after night. So tonight, after this video ends, go check your coin jars. Open those old proof sets. Look at every 1979 S carefully. Use magnification. Compare the mint mark. Because the next time you see a small dollar coin, it might not be worth $1. It might be worth thousands. And in our next video, we're going to reveal another seemingly ordinary coin that has sold for over 6 figures at auction, and almost nobody knows how to identify it. So don't miss it. Check your coins. Protect your hidden treasure. And if you love discovering big money hiding in plain sight, make sure you're subscribed, because the next life-changing coin might already be in your pocket.